Hey guys, Cuberbeats here, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a calculator that can do any operation very efficiently. Let's see an example right now. Here we go. 1 plus 6 is 7, and we got the correct answer. And don't get me wrong, this can do way more complex calculations. Let's try a number like this, and a number like this, and let's put multiplication instead. We get basically what you multiply both numbers with. And that is how this calculator works. And this can do subtraction and division as well. Like 32 and 1, if you subtract it, you're gonna get 31. And division, let's do 20, and we're gonna divide by 2, and we're gonna enter it as division. We got 10.0. So that is really good. We got everything correct. So how are we going to make this calculator? Well, this is what we're going to learn in various Python programs. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started creating our calculator. So first, we're going to put an int input statement. For example, let us say number 1 equals int input. Welcome to the calculator. Please enter your first number. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the second number, so we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste it down. Now we're going to put it as number 2, and it'll put, please enter your second number, and we're going to delete welcome to the calculator because we already did that once. After you're done with that, now we're going to do operation equals input, enter operation. It's going to be options like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And now what we're going to do is we're going to close that with a closing bracket. There you go. And so we're done. Now what we're going to do is put an if statement. If operation equals addition, print thank you for using the calculator. Your number is, and you can add a comma, and add the answer of number 1 plus number 2. And then you can add a full stop just for fun if you want to add a full stop. Now you're done with that. I'm going to copy paste this a few more times. There we go. So it is showing for addition number 1 plus number 2, subtraction number 1 minus number 2, multiplication number 1 times number 2, the asterisk counts as a multiplication symbol in Python, and division number 1 slash number 2, slash stands for division in Python. So let's put an else statement to close it all. print no operations have been selected. Now we're gonna print, please try again. So now let's run the program. Welcome to the calculator. Please enter your first number. I'm gonna enter, let's say 5. Please enter your second number, 1. I'll enter the operation as addition. Our number is 6. Great, it works. Now we're gonna try it again, except with subtraction. 120, 50, subtraction. Our number is 70. Now let's try multiplication. Let's enter a random number like 8931084. And let's enter our second number, which will probably be any random number. And it'll give us the answer if we just type in multiplication. And the answer is 1169452907060. So this works just like a standard calculator. Any old calculator will work with this. Yeah, it works like a standard calculator. Let's try 51 and divided by 2. Keep in mind that we have kept it in capital first letter, so if you put it lowercase, it'll work lowercase. So our number is 25.5. So far, this can only work with integers and not floats or decimals. But so far, it's actually working quite well. Let's try 4. Let's try 2. And let's try doing it lowercase. It will not work. Now let's try 3, 2. And if we don't enter any operation, it'll show nothing. So that is how you run it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.